Good morning! Good morning guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Pasensya na kung matagal-tagal tayong walang vlog. But today, natry ko ulit. Everyday kasi nagtatry. Hindi naman everyday. Every 3 to 4 days, nagtatry ako mag-vlog. Tapos, hindi ko natutuloy. Hindi ko natatapos yung buong araw. Sobrang pagka-busy. Today is Sunday. And magulo yung bahay. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Marami kasi tayong mga stocks na dumating. And hindi kasya sa space namin doon sa shop. So, grabe kayo.
Good morning, guys.
Did you say good morning, guys? So, yung mga stocks namin dito, hindi namin madala lahat doon sa shop kasi, or sa office namin. Office na itawag namin doon kasi, yung shop kasi natin, hindi talaga natin siya magagawang shop, guys. Kasi laging, sa sobrang dami ng stocks, hindi mo siya ma-display. Mas kailangan namin yung space where we can pack your orders and bubble wrap na para safe yung products na darating sa inyo. So, ayun. Ngayon, ang problema namin dun sa shop or sa office namin is hindi kasya yung stocks. Sobrang daming stocks na dumarating ngayon. Kasi every other day, halos, nagre-restock kami, nagre-restock. And in every restock namin, parami in-order namin kasi ang taas ng demand ni Lilibel. So, kung hindi ka pa bumibili, nasa description box na yung link. Ayun, ilalagay ko ulit ito kung paano kayo po pwede umorder. So, if you're watching from your phone, mahahanap nyo yung more dito sa area na to. Ayan. And then, click nyo yung more. Lalabas lahat ng links ng aming mga products. So, let's pretend na ang gusto mong order nyo is yung best seller natin na Glowing Queen Soap. Click mo siya dyan. It's 49 pesos lang, mga mi. And, ayan, dadaling ka dyan sa Shopee. Open mo lang yung app and there it is. And if you also want to check out yung iba pa nating products, you can go to our shop. Click mo tong button na ito. And it will lead you to this page kung saan nakalagay lahat ng available nating products. So, sa ngayon, as I'm filming this, marami tayong out of stock kasi ang bilis maubos ng lotion natin, yung tinted sunscreen at yung rejuvenating set natin. I assume na by the time I upload this video, may stocks na tayo niyan. So, click nyo na guys yung links dyan sa description box. Place your order habang may stock pa kasi kapag nagkaubusan na naman, you will have to wait until we can restock again. So, ayun. Meron na rin kami sa Lazada for those who are asking. And sa mga taga UAE, meron na tayong reseller. Lalagay ko dito rin yung kanilang social media at saka yung link nila down below. So, ayun lang. So anyway, today is Sunday. Nag-day off kami kahapon, Saturday. Kasi talagang pagod na pagod kami mag-asawa. 2 beses ako nag-live selling sa Shopee. Kasi pag nag-live selling ako sa Shopee, may 70% off voucher sa Shopee para sa mga customer natin. So, hinahabol ko siya para mura din yung makukuha si Lilibel. Tapos nag-payday sale pa kaya talagang tag-tag kami sa orders. And since dalawa lang kami mag-asawa, medyo nagsastruggle kami. Pero okay lang. Can't complain. Salamat sa lahat na nag-try. At salamat sa lahat ng bumabalik-balik na talagang nagiging alagang Lilibel na sila. I'll help you. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, wow! Wow! Can you see closer? Who's that? It's AA.
Mommy, now it looks like Ace wearing a snow hat.
Yeah.
Brown snow hat.
Yeah. Who's mommy's baby?
Baby.
Where? Point.
My boy.
Say hello, guys.
Bye.
Hello, guys. No? Hello. Katatapos lang namin ni Lily mag-pack ng 50 na reduced set. Wala pa yung boxes namin, mga mi. Ang tagal dumating. Ina-outsource lang kasi namin yung boxes noon. Parang today ata siya isi-ship. Tapos hindi ko alam kung kailan siya darating. We're going to the grocery store so you can have some snack for school. We got no food for your lunchbox. Habang kinukuha ni daddy yung phone ko kasi naiwan ko yung cellphone. Nag-aayos lang muna ako, mga mi. You are?
Yes, look at my feet.
Oh, your shoes.
We're going to the way shop.
Bring it to shop. Why so cut?
Lily, do you want me to show you the way? From Las Piñas, okay, we take the this Santa Avenue. Then we go to SLXN. Then we kind of going all the way down to SLXN, and then we take Mandaluyong Cavite Expressway, and then we go. Oh, that's going on. Sorry, Lols, I got it wrong.
Ayan, so nag-apply lang ako ng Glowing Queen tinted sunscreen natin, and then lip tint na lang, and then we can go. Okay na yan muna. Okay, let's go.
At the roundabout, turn left.
Daddy,
Yes.
why do we need windows in the back? At the back?
Well, I don't know.
Or right here where I am in the A?
Well,
Anyway, punta muna tayo ng Shopway Sukat para mapasaya naman natin yung asawa natin dyan. Parang ang puti masyado. My face too white. Or is it just the camera?
it's coming out. You look whiter than me, yeah.
Talagang camera ko mapanlin lang.
Can we do?
Yes, ask Daddy.
8, 2.
And plus. Oh my god! That's how much it will be!
Nagka-calculator sila. Kanya-kanya silang mga gusto. And dito na kami sa Shopwise. Bili kami ng gatas ni AA, tsaka mga pang-stock ni Lily dito natin binibili. Last week doon kami sa Pure Gold na mili, ngayon dito naman. Kasi matagal-tagal na kami din napunta dito sa Shopwise Sukat. Naantok ako mga mi. Parang yung katawan ko kailangan pa rin ng pahinga.
How much is it?
1 minute. Oh, yeah.
Oh! How much is it?
Can mommy get a kiss?
Little tree.
Can mommy get a kiss? I love you. Say hi guys.
Hey guys.
Yeah, close.
You want to say good morning?
Morning.
Where's mommy's good morning?
Morning.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my god! That's a lot!
Kuha na natin si Lily ng pangbaon. Kasi yung mga kinuha ni Daddy, pang kanya lang yun. Ito, gustong-gusto niya to. Tsaka, gusto ni Lily to eh. Ano pa ba? Fudgy bar. Put it in the basket. 85. This is 105.
5?
5, yeah.
And
Plus.
one.
Oh! Oh my god! Almost 6.
So we need detergent. Panglaba naman. I like this one. This is good. Gusto ko to. This one. We'll buy this. 89. 89 pesos. 89. 60. 160. 178. Lily, 178.
1, 7, 8.
Lily, come over here. Aiden, come on.
I told you
Lils,
last one.
I'm gonna show you my favorite fruits. What's my favorite fruit? Rambutan and lanzones. I got half a kilo over there. Dito tayo guys, bumibili ng mga prutas. Masarap yung prutas nila dito. Sa Springville. Gusto namin yan. Ayan, ayun yung rambutan at saka lanzones. Thank you po, kuya! 220.
There you go, perfect.
Thank you po, kuya. Ayan. This is what lanzones is, Lils. This is lanzones. And then, and then we have, eto, rambutan.
What the fuck is that?
Rambutan!
That's something of a movie?
Ha? Meron na siya eh. Gusto niya Fuji. Ito, suki kami. Suki sa Philip dito. Parang everyday nagpupunta siya dito. Thank you po.
My
So, you
favorite
want-
shop.
Ha?
Vape shop.
Favorite shop niya daw dyan.
Okay.
Ano dyan? Laging fresh yung mga prutas nila dito sa may Springville sa Molino.
Look at that.
Is that from theirs?
Yeah.
Them?
You kill someone with this carrot.
What?
Kill someone with this carrot.
It's big, no?
It'll do you for a week.
But you know what I like about him? You can smell it's fresh.
Yeah.
You know, it's fresh. It's not dry. It's not, you know. Gusto ko ipatry kay Lily yung rambutan at saka lansones. Kasi,
Oh my
you
god.
wanna try, touch it? Just touch.
Ooh.
It's spiky, huh? It's rambutan.
There's an ant on it. There's ants on it.
There it is.
No, no, no.
Why?
No, no, no.
Take a bite.
No.
No, not the inside. There's a bowl. There's a seed.
No.
Why?
No.
Try. Scrape it with your teeth.
It's juicy.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I want to eat it. Oh, what is that?
There's a seed. You don't eat the seed. Take a bite. Remove the brown thing. That's lanzones.
Of all the fruits you like, it's that one. Huh?
It's nice.
Mommy, this one tastes like a grape.
Right? Mm.
I don't like grapes.
Why do you don't like?
Because I don't like grapes. Like, what do you like? What do you want me to do?
I like grapes. I like grapes. Like green. Oh my god, it's too hard with my teeth.
You have to eat it now.
Bite that.
No.
Bite it in half.
You bite it. Fuck, how about your mum, man?
Bite it in half. It's open.
Nasty, man. I don't even know what.
Sa rambutan.
I know it's rambutan, obviously. You said it like 17 times.
Okay. But don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Yeah.
Yay!
Now you can scrape.
Scrape.
Like this.
Grapes. I love this one. Grapes. Grapes?
What do you
A
want?
rambutan?
Bochog.
This is not chocolate. This is. What does it taste like?
A little sour.
Ooh, I love sour.
Take a bite. I thought it was a little sour.
It doesn't taste a little sour.
What does it taste like?
Oh my god, I don't like the taste.
You don't? Try.
No.
Try.
Oh, I can smell it.
A big
No, not a big No.
You're not buying apple anymore, Sergey. Eat it.
Yeah.
You have to bite.
No, not for
Eat
me.
the whole thing.
No.
Eat the whole thing.
No.
We're not going anywhere until you eat the whole thing. It's fruit. It's good for you.
It's a rambutan is from.
See, look at your face. Your face is like all twisted up. You eat it.
Because it's a little sour.
Give it to the butcher, Liz.
Oh my god.
Give it to the butcher.
The buttercup might don't
He'll
like
throw
it.
it. He'll throw it. Okay.
Come on.
No.
I don't want it, love.
Love.
I don't want it.
If you love me, you're gonna eat it.
If you love mommy.
If you love me. If you don't eat it, that means you don't love me. Eat it.
Very
Don't just swallow it. Chew it. Ang arte nyo.
I can't. Who big?
Chew it. Don't eat the seed.
Well, she knows she's in it, right?
There is.
No.
Ang arte.
Come on.
Okay, so
Next,
you don't
santol.
so you don't love mommy.
He doesn't love
What?
pillows. Do you like rambutan? Do you like the other one? Lanzones? No. Okay.
I only
At least
like
we know.
the rambutan.
But I appreciate that you guys tried.
Thank you.
Not daddy. Don't appreciate daddy.
I tried it.
Ito kami sa bahay. Quick haul. Ayan, binilan ko ng 10 kilong dog food ang ating mga babies. Ayan. Excuse my hair. Kaya pa ako pinagkatawa ng daddy kasi ganun daw yung itsura ng buhok. Kaya mo siya. So, sa palengke, bumili kami ng 2 broccoli. Ganyan. Tapos, bumili kami ng carrots, 3 malalaking onions. Tapos, bumili ako kalahating kilong rambutan, kalahating kilong lansones. Tapos, for frozen, bumili ako ng chicken nuggets, tocino. Ito yung mga pang-baon-baon ng ni Lily pag mabilisan lang ba. Meron tayong chicken legs kasi request niya, manok daw, fried chicken na baon at saka rice. Tapos, bumili rin kami ng beef. What type of beef? Okay, beef. Pinset. Tsaka bacon! Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ng bacon. Grabe. As in, I don't know how long. Pero yan. So, yan yung mga frozen natin. So, we have toilet roll. Kailangan natin. Bumili rin ako ng 3 wipes. Toothpaste ng kids. I bought them new toothbrush as well. Isa kay Lily, isa kay AA. Tapos, oh my gosh, Daddy! Scrub-a-dub-dub! Ako naman with glowing queen. Pang hilod. Tapos, kay Daddy, yung kanyang pang deodorant. Bumili rin akong pusher. Para sa kuko, kasi kuko ko, tinan mo, kailangan ko na to ayusin. I also got dishwashing liquid. Tapos, ganito lang yung binibili ko, guys, na panglaba. Kasi parang pansin ko, mas mabango siya compare kay pods. Mas mahal yung pods, diba? So, isang pack lang, mabango siya. So, ganito lang yung binibili ko. Tapos, may kasama na rin siyang fabric conditioner na mix sa kanya. So, ayan. And then, I also got, ito sila ni-request niya. Gusto niya daw ng shampoo na pang princess. Ko kay Daddy. Daddy, may shampoo ka pa. So, kaya mo na. Para masipagin siyang mag-wash ng hair niya. And then, we have bleach, of course. And then, bleach na pang color safe at pang puti. Ayan. And then, last one. Ito ata, feeling ko yung mga snack. So, bumili ako ng wafer. Ayan, na butter. Bumili, ayan, wafer na happy. Bumili tayo ng chocolate na chocolate na Water Tops. Hansel. Meron din tayong cheesecake. Pambaon-baon ni ate. Ganyan. Fudgy bar. Ilanan ba to? 10 ata to eh. Meron pa. Overload na quake. O, 10 din laman ito. 10, 20, 30, 40. O. Diba? Tingnan nyo kung ilang araw lang yan. Ayan. Tapos pumili tayong tinapay. And then, J-U-I-C-E. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kasi yung bunso ko magpapabukas. Tapos, eto, pang snack sa gabi. We got patata, tsaka bikat. Bumili rin ako ng 2 tuna. Kasi paborito ni Lily yung tuna pasta ko. And then, meron din milk. Pang breakfast nila. So, ayan. Yan yung mga pinamili natin. Diba? Sa atin dati. Okay, pang merienda. Kuha ka isa. Ganun lang, diba? Tapos, kung kaya pambaon sa school. Kasi may lunch naman, isa. Sa kanila dito maya-maya. Kain ng mga snack yung aking mga loved ones. Ako kasi hindi ako mas-snack talaga. Mahilig ako. Kapi-kapi lang. Ano?
Wow.
Tapos may mga prutas pa sila. Ganyan. So, ayan. Ganyan lang muna pinamili namin. Konti lang yung karne kasi gusto ko yung karne sa palengke bibilhin. Maliban sa mas mura na. Para mas fresh din. Ayun. So, yung mga meat, sa palengke na namin binibili. Hindi muna kami namili ngayon kasi medyo tanghali na. So, bukas na lang paghatid namin kay Lily, bibili kami. Pero meron din naman kami biniling baka at saka manok. So, ganon. So, yung mga pang-ulam-ulam, ano na lang namin, mamamalengke na lang kami tuwing maghahatid kami kay Lily. That way, mas fresh, at mapag-iisipan namin kung ano yung iuulam namin. Hindi masasayang na naka-ref lang. Anyway, that's our mini haul ng grocery. Puro na box yung bahay namin, mga ano. Grabe. Kasi here, sama namin si Grandma. Yes. Si Lily din sumama sa akin. Kasi magpapagupit din daw siya ng hair. Tignan niyo naman guys, itsura ko. Punta ako ng mall, ganito itsura ko. Ay, kakaloka. Walang time eh. Ito kami sa...
before and after.
Ito kami sa SM City Dasmariñas. Papapilik mata. Feedback time! So kayo ng umaga, nag-live ako. Ito isa sa mga feedback na na-receive namin kanina. Galing kay Cherolov. Ayan, sabi niya, dami ko na na-try na products from may mga mahal pa. Nag-gluta na capsule pa ako. Tapos ito lang pala yung sagot. Tapos nagdagan niya rin yung comment niya na yung pekas ko nag-lighten na talaga after 1 week nag-use lang daw. So let me introduce to you guys yung ating Lilibel Skin Essentials Rejuvenating Set. Ito yung rejuvenating set na hindi ka matatakot gamitin kasi mild siya, micro-exfoliating siya. So hindi siya yung bakbak na talagang makapal na halos masunog yung balat mo. So pag ito yung ginamit nyo, yung micro-peeling niya, as in talagang dot na lang siya na maliliit. May kasama na siyang micro-exfoliating soap, Skin Renew na facial toner, day cream at night cream. So yung day cream natin has SPF 30 na siya. At pag na-receive nyo siya mga mi, naka-pouch na rin siyang ganyan. So yung facial kojic soap natin is 135 grams na. So matagal mo siyang magagamit. And also yung scent nito is sobrang bango. Hindi man siya sobrang bango na talagang matapang. Very subtle yung scent niya pero mabango na. Parang sarap niya kainin. For only $299, add to cart na. What are you gonna have?
Bulalo.
Wow! Paborito niya yan eh. Ayan guys, I got my lashes done today. Medyo ano siya, hindi ako sanay kasi parang matigas. Parang yung noong ano pa, klase ng lashes yun. Pero okay lang, pansamantala lang muna. Dito kami sa Bulalo, ano to? Bulalo World. Kakain kami ng bulalo, tawilis. Umorder ako ng ano, kare-kare. Tsaka kanin ko. Kasi sabi ko pwede naman mag-share-share eh. Diba? Para iba lang. Tapos, mamaya pupunta kami doon sa salon. Salon ba yun, ma? As in, parlor talaga siya. Na pinapagpakulayan ni mama. Magpapakulay ako, tsaka magpapa-haircut. Kasi talagang sunog na ilalim ng hair ko. That way, matatry ko kung masasalba ko pa yung kulot. Kasi yung kulot natin is hindi na niya kayang kumulot dahil lagi ako nagsistraight. So, tatry natin siya isalba. And si Lily din, magpapakat din siya ng hair. Good evening guys. Nakauwi na kami ni Lily. Hindi na ako masyado naka-vlog kanina kasi bawal mag-vlog doon sa lash place. Tapos sa salon naman nahihiya yung hairstylist na mapasama siya sa vlog. So hindi na kami nag-vlog. But I got a haircut. Inano ko lang, pinlansya ko lang siya kasi parang sa super late na, hindi na na-blow dry na maayos yung buhok ko. So, pagka-uwi, nagplansya pa ako ng buhok para maiharap ko sa inyo kasi kanina iba yung itsura ng buhok ko. So, nagpakat ako ng hair para healthy na siya. Kaya lang, yung pinlansya ko na naman ngayon. And titignan ko kung kaya kong i-restore yung kulot. Which is, parang feeling ko medyo malabo siya na mangyari ngayon. But hopefully, maayos natin ulit yung ating hair care. Yun is kung may time pa tayo. But, I've got a hair. Nagpa-highlights ako. Ganyan. Tapos, ayan. Nagpabawas ng buhok. Medyo, pinatanggal ko talaga yung mga deads na dyan sa ilalim sa kakaplansya. So, hopefully, maayos ko siya. Maayos natin yung kulot ulit kasi namimiss ko na yung kulot kong napaka-healthy. Na ganito yung itsura. Tignan natin tomorrow kapag winash natin yung hair natin kung okay na. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock so magta-try na ako matulog. Ngayon, tulog na yung aking mag-aama, si Lily na si kaso ko. Pinaliguan ko and binihisan. Inakit ko lang siya para patulugin and nag-ayos lang ako ng buhok. That way, ready na ako para bukas ng umaga kasi may pasok pa yung mga anak ko tomorrow. So anyway, I'll end this vlog here. Sana enjoy nyo. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you guys on the next one. Good night.